Alright, no. Get out here. So we doing that baking soda volcano stuff. Get that. Hold that. Hold up. I just told you on that. What? We still waiting for it on the light. You can see it fine.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
You shut up. You don't tell me shut up.
Nigga, you don't tell me. Just shut up.
Shut up. That's enough, girl. That's enough. Let's not put some more.
Let's not start no, girl. I don't know what you're talking about. Alright. What's this one?
Our volcano.
What, a water bottle? I don't want to touch it. Hold on, wait. Hold on, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I ain't touching this. I ain't slow. Hold up. It's still some more baking soda.
Please stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sorry. I don't have to put on my purple glove. Alright. Yes. What did you do?
Start out the whole thing. Gonna smell like vinegar.
So.
Let me let RJ in. You wanna come in, baby? Come on. I know you ain't about to rinse that out.
Yeah, I rinse it out.
Well, that's it, y'all.